today's group discussion, and my topic is the role of newspaper. So the role of newspaper is very important because it provides news related to the local, national, and international news. It covers various topics like sports, politics, economics, international relations, and news related to environment. Area where the internet is not available, such as village and some remote area where the not so facility are there, so they can use newspaper as a medium of information because here provides them news related to the national and international news. So newspaper helps us to newspaper is very helpful for that. So newspaper is known as the mirror of the society because it shows our progress and development and some evil things which happening in our society. So it's reflect which direction our society is going. So the newspaper have a very important role. It makes the government accountable and transparent because it shows the data which can disclose the corruption. So it is important that we should read newspaper have some editorials and personal opinion of the editors in some columns, which makes the things easier for the reader, so they can know the complex situation in a very simple way. So newspaper helps us to know everything around the world. Newspaper provides a platform where a business can advertise their product and they can reach to their consumer. The newspaper have the power to shape your opinions because they help us to they teach us in a way that we aware ourselves for the nation, and we should make a habit to read newspaper in an efficient way because it helps in a lot of things. Thank you. Hello, today topic is newspaper. Newspaper one of the most important source of information. It is a powerful medium communication provide a news social news social newspaper also provide social issue they headlight corruption poverty and pollution and many things. So newspaper also are helpful students because newspaper they provide more vocabulary, more content, and new words, new vocabulary, and more information.
Hello guys, my name is Harit Singh and today our topic is role of newspaper. Newspaper is a part of our life because without news you have not survive in your life, in your society. You have to not done anything without news, without update. News enhance your knowledge, your critical thinking, your vocabulary. You have to learn another newspaper have pros and cons. Both 90-95% have pros. Only 5% maybe you said cons. Whenever digital social media is available in our surrounding. Newspaper provides a platform to express yourself, to put your thought, to put your opinion, and you have to easily put your thought, and they have on everybody have, and everybody have know you how are you how are you tell newspaper gives opportunity, like you have to know all about where is job available. You have to take you have to update it job profiles, and newspaper enhance a students their current affairs knowledge.
Not clear our current affairs, GKGS, and more in our knowledge because newspaper have a more information and GKGS current affairs. Especially who the students prepare to competitive exams. So so is also reading a newspaper. Everyone, my name is Ranjan. Today topic newspaper.
Newspaper is an important part of our society. And knowledge almost everyone reads newspapers daily. uh, new Paperman's delivers every morning newspapers, and my father reads newspaper every day, and I reads newspaper headlines, and see some pictures. Newspaper also improves our vocabulary and general knowledge, and uh, etc. Newspaper and newspaper are printed almost many languages like Hindi, English, Marathi, etc. Uh, newspapers provides many awareness news, like politics, political, economicals, and some places news available in newspaper. That's all.
Newspaper is first printed in around 1604 in France at the time of Roman Empire, and it is first printed there, and the newspaper is from then continued till nowadays. And if we talk about India, in India around 1773 the first newspaper is published in India, in Kolkata, which name is Bengal Gazette. So newspaper helps us to fight in our independence, because it helps to aware people, and it helps to unite the people of India at the time of independence. So they fight together and got independence. So it's a major role in our freedom movement. So newspaper also highlights some social problems like caste discrimination, violence against women, and many day-to-day problems. They highlight them, and newspaper. Newspaper is still relevant nowadays, because newspaper provide a very credential information. If we see the digital media, there is also some fake news are circulated, but in newspaper we get only authentic news. So it is still relevant nowadays. Thank you.
Good evening, guys. Topic is role of newspaper. A newspaper is printed a sheet where the newspaper we can read a best quality, because some are best quality provided in outside the station, and anywhere we can purchase the newspaper, because it will low of cost and any people will buy that. And I will tell that newspaper is important for our life, because newspaper is updated to ourselves, and we can learn anything from there, and it is improving for our reading skills. And I will tell that newspaper is a most important thing in our daily life, because it was providing a knowledge to every person, like child and older age people also we can read the newspaper. Newspaper is generally for any competitive exam like UPSC, BPSC, we can read the newspaper because it is important for take current affairs and GK. We can read there, and for who are taking the exam, who are participated in the exam, they generally read the newspaper because newspaper is have a lot of things like international things and national thing also there for our country, and outside country also information are provided in the newspaper. Newspaper is a thing that newspaper is a common thing to our daily life because in older age many people read in morning with a cup of tea because they have to build their knowledge, and they learn how to take a advantage from the newspaper because newspaper is a thing where the people read the knowledge and we can gain the knowledge from there. And secondly, I will tell that newspaper is a most important thing because they have a we can see there because in mainly child are not reading the newspaper, they are using playing games and not seeing any newspaper and not aware for our society. It will not good for it was not good for our society because people, that child, small child and like teenager people are not reading a newspaper, they are avoiding them because they are not interested in newspaper, they are having a smartphone, they are using them and not playing games and not gaining any knowledge from newspaper. And day by day newspaper is gone from our daily life because some people are read but more of the people are not read newspaper. And I will tell that newspaper have we can in newspaper we can see the weather, sports news and weather news like we can see there, and especially in rural area there are many people who are buying newspaper, and in village people I see many people are reading newspaper in daily morning because it was good for village who are in rural area, and it was nice for our village area, and we can nice for our society because it is good for have knowledge from newspaper. But nowadays all are using phone and getting knowledge from their that smartphone, but not buying a newspaper and not reading, not having time to read a newspaper. It's a mainly common problem for all people. And I said that newspaper have like we can play the Sudoku game, and many things are there in a newspaper like we can see the out of the country and inside our country many problems and many things, and we can update ourselves daily life. Newspaper is a thing where the people are read, and you can skills our communication, not communication, that reading skill we can improve our reading skills, and it will nice for our society because we can speak outside the country, and where we can speak to another people, it will easy to communicate to others. Secondly, I will tell that reading newspaper having a confidence because it was getting a more confidence from there because mainly people are not getting a confidence from anywhere because it was a good thing to read a newspaper and get a more confidence to talk to another people. And newspaper it will have a like we can have a context and headlines are there for newspaper. We can read the headlines and we can gain more knowledge. We cannot read a full paragraph, but we can see the headlines and text. It was nice for ourselves because without seeing any paragraph of writing the context where the